The nice thing to know about dragging audio in, and I'm going to do it right now because otherwise I'll forget it. The first thing I do is I go to the fade in section of the region in Logic and I make a little fade in, even though it's just 2 or 3, because it takes away the first transient that is going to interfere with the transient of your kick drum. Now you have to do this to your personal preference, and it also depends per instrument, per instrument and per sound. How you want to adjust it, but in this case for a clap which is quite aggressive on the transient, you kind of want to adjust it to at least 5 or 6 just to make sure that it leaves enough space for the transient of the kick, and it's going to sound like this. And you might think like, oh, nothing changed, but if I unmute the solo of the kick drum, or actually if I take away the solo of the kick drum and solo the clap only, I'll do it to an extreme. You'll hear what happens. The transient kind of disappears, and there's multiple ways to do this, but the fade-in option here is a really nice and easy way to get you going with your instrument.